In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an automated invoice workflow from Webhook to encrypted email. We'll walk through a clean, reliable process that starts the moment invoice data arrives and ends with a protected PDF landing in your customer's inbox. The beauty of this setup is that once it's configured, it runs hands-free. It all begins with a Webhook node acting as the trigger. This is where your data flows in from sources like website forms, mobile or desktop apps, direct API requests, or an order system. The webhook collects the essentials, things like the customer's name, company, address, invoice line items, and payment details. As soon as that payload arrives, the workflow kicks off automatically, so there's no manual handoff. Make sure your field names are consistent across your sources to keep the mapping clean. Next, the workflow generates a unique invoice ID. The format looks like invoice XXXX, for example, invoice A7D93KQ2 or invoice F82JD9A1. Using a predictable prefix and randomized suffix makes searching and referencing invoices easy later on, while ensuring each document can be tracked unambiguously. To prevent duplicates, the workflow checks that ID inside a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Think of this sheet as your central ledger of previously issued numbers. If the ID is already present, the system simply generates another one and tries again, so you never end up with clashing references. An IF node then confirms whether the invoice ID is truly unique. If it is, the workflow proceeds. If it isn't, it loops back to generate a new ID. This quick decision gate is what guarantees uniqueness across your archive. With a unique ID locked in, the workflow builds the invoice PDF from a template. It merges dynamic data into the document, including the invoice number, customer and company information, detailed line items, and payment fields. Keep your template placeholders aligned with your data keys, and double-check formatting for currency, dates, and taxes to avoid downstream edits. To protect sensitive information, the PDF is then encrypted. The password is set using the customer ID from the webhook data. A consistent password policy keeps things predictable while adding a layer of security to the file. After that, the PDF is uploaded to Google Drive. It's saved using the invoice number as the file name, which creates a tidy, searchable archive with minimal effort. Finally, the Gmail node sends the invoice to the customer. The message includes the invoice number, a brief note, and the encrypted PDF attachment. With that, your automated invoice delivery is complete, accurate, secure, and fully streamlined.